I committed murder today. I murdered a mosquito. Hello everyone, this is Tekits with a brand new video. I am reviewing old tech, that is my thing. So today we are reviewing two pretty classic but pretty solid things. I really like them. The not legendary, sorry if that confuses you, but the very nice Logitech mx510. And we are also reviewing the xtreme wired keyboard, RGB and stuff. So let's go with the mouse first. I like putting these two together. The two really go together, even though they're not made from the same thing. Alright, so starting off, it is a USB 2.0 mouse. So the Logitech mx510 is a pretty solid mouse. It molds with your hand absolutely comfortably. You have this indent for your thumb, and your two other fingers do go really well on the side. So you got pretty solid left click, right click. I like how the left click and right click, those type of mice, when they go also connect to the back, I like those type of mice. It's also optical, and guys can't read it, but it says oh, it does? Yeah, made in China. Okay, so you got your left click and right click. You also got your scroll wheel, and you got buttons for up and down. This is for business if you want to do this. Scroll up and down if you don't want to use the scroll wheel, and there's a programmable button. There's also up pages and back pages. So, besides I thought, there's also, yeah, this also has pretty good tracking. I can go on pretty much any surface, which is pretty good for this. The program, I use this for gaming a lot, even though when I have to do work, and when I'm trying to figure out what to do with hyperdrive. Other than that, yeah, pretty solid mouse. I program this button to quickly switch between weapons when I'm playing like a game. Alright, so that's the Logitech mx510. Now we got to go to the xtreme wired keyboard. I forgot the model number for this. It says it's USB 5 volt, 100 milliamps. Model number 8018678A. I'll put that in the description if you want it. So, pretty solid mouse, straight from 2009, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but this is a pretty good mouse. You got hinges on the back, which is pretty good. You got one Windows key. This is a pretty old keyboard. You also got a function key for some reason. You got a light key, which is pretty cool. Now this, I'm not saying this keyboard's amazing. I can kind of try to take this key out right here. Right there. Okay. Membrane domes. It's not the best keyboard in the world, but it is pretty solid. Sure, it's not the best. It's not mechanical or anything, but you know what? It lights up. It has RGB if it really wants. If you really want that. Keys don't wiggle too much. You got a dial for how much brightness you want. It's got like G keys for gaming. You got these WASD keys right there. And standard size, American size enter key, which I like that better than these crap keys that have like a super giant enter key and a tiny backspace. This one has a reasonably sized one. That's the ones I like the best. There's also the backspace is pretty normal sized, other than that stupid dinky shit. There's also it's not too, the slash key is not too far placed. It's pretty well solid instead of being up there. Okay, so I found one of those USB things that you can power on, so it's not going to go to a computer because I don't have my computer here right now. And I'll just plug it in right like this. It has a gold USB 2.0, which is pretty cool. I'm connecting it, and hello? It's not on. Weird. I should usually turn. Wait. Let me find another one. Perhaps another one will work better than that. Right, I got another charging thingy. I use these when I want to charge lots of things. Let's try this one. This one's probably more solid based. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now that it lights up, you see it's not full-fledged RGB, but you know what, it's pretty solid. You got it dialed. I can change the brightness if you wanted to. It's good when you're in the dark. You got your down on arrow keys. You can see them pretty clearly. If you don't like red, not working. Never mind that thought. I'm just basically trying to say is this thing can switch between red, green, blue. Yeah, you have those as well as like teal, white, orange, yellow, and so many more colors. So this keyboard is pretty standalone, but you know what? Solid for a gaming keyboard if you want it. And yeah. It's a pretty good keyboard, maybe out straight from 2009, but you know what? It'll still work with most Windows 10 computers, and I just gotta clean this up, and I use this for gaming. So, that's your review from TechIts. Hope you had a good day. Please subscribe. And there's a mosquito in my room, so I have to kill it. Goodbye, people. See you later. Peace.